Hello, we're on the boat. Back on the boat. We're in Antigua. First full day. And you can see it's overcast, a little bit of raining, but it's still hot. So who cares? It's beautiful. Hey Captain, how does it feel to be on the boat again?
Perfect.
Perfect?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My happy place.
Your happy place? The best place to be, right?
Yep.
Cool.
My happy place.
Lots to do.
Lots to do.
Lots to do. No mast. We'll see. She looks a little bit cleaner down here now. Clothes have kind of been put away, but I still need to wash the walls and that, so I'm kind of get ready. Thing needs some maintenance, but that's okay. Work we go. Day 4 working, cleaning, washing, putting all the stuff where it's supposed to be. All right, bye. Hi. So this is pretty red. It is really hot if you're not used to it. We just got here yesterday and we've kind of been cleaning lots. So it's 2 o'clock, 2:13 in the afternoon, Friday. And we've been just cleaning everywhere all around, washing down, putting oil on it to kind of give it some life again. And we'll just see how that will pan out. Almost done. Oh, I know. I'm blushed. Anyways, we'll see you soon. Follow us. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Bye for now.